turn dreams into reality. By feeling happy and optimistic, we can make our dreams come true. Our thoughts and feelings are the way to make our dreams a reality. Ask ourselves why we do what we do. The circumstances will begin to favor us more and more. Every choice we make is a seed we sow, which we must harvest at some time in our lives. Be careful how we choose, for our choices tell the world the kind of person we really are. Keep pursuing our dreams. Aim higher and higher. Don't stay in our comfort zone. Motivate ourselves. Find inspiration and take action.